We've talked a lot about the challenges of 2024, but let's not forget that it wasn't all doom and gloom. Despite the ups and downs, the stock market was one of the big winners this year, rising a whopping 27%. This video is all about the good news, how certain sectors thrived, the big wins in the markets, and how investors like you can capitalize on these positive trends for 2025. If you want to know what kept the market soaring this year, and how you can ride the wave into the future, stick with me, you won't want to miss this. Let's start with January and February. After years of volatility, we saw a tech sector resurgence. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia posted strong earnings, thanks to the growing demand for AI technologies. At the same time, the energy sector saw steady gains as oil prices balanced out, and green energy investments surged. If you invested in tech or renewable energy early this year, you likely saw some solid returns. This was a signal that tech and energy would drive growth throughout 2024. By March, the corporate world was feeling more optimistic, with major companies announcing share buybacks and increasing dividends. Investors reaped the benefits as big corporations gave back to shareholders, signaling strong confidence in future earnings. This was the perfect time to be holding blue-chip stocks with solid fundamentals. Dividend growth and buybacks made these investments even more attractive, especially for long-term investors. June and July brought even more good news. Healthcare stocks soared as companies announced breakthroughs in treatments and tech integrations. Consumer goods also thrived, with spending holding strong, despite inflation fears cooling down. Even the real estate sector, which many thought would crash, bounced back as mortgage rates started to ease. Before we dive into even more market wins, if you're finding this video helpful and you haven't done so already, make sure to give this video a like. It really helps support the channel. And if you want to stay on top of your investing game, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another update. There's a lot more financial content coming your way. By August, green energy really took the spotlight. Government policies and incentives in Europe and the US pushed renewable energy companies into new growth territory, and infrastructure projects started creating more jobs and economic momentum. This was a fantastic opportunity to invest in the future. If you hadn't already jumped on renewable energy stocks, there were still strong gains to be made. October was another big win. Major companies in sectors like tech, financials, and consumer goods smashed earnings expectations. This created another market rally, with many investors riding the wave of optimism heading into the final quarter. If you kept your cool and stayed invested during the market's bumpy moments, you were rewarded with gains during this earnings season. As we wrapped up the year, November and December saw the market closing at new all-time highs, all fueled by strong consumer confidence, easing inflation, and the Fed signaling more favorable monetary policy for 2025. This year showed us that despite challenges, the markets can still offer incredible opportunities. 2024 was a year that truly tested us, but the stock market showed its resilience and rewarded those who stayed the course. With sectors like tech, green energy, healthcare, and consumer goods all thriving, there's so much to look forward to in 2025. Now, if you haven't seen my other video on the challenges of 2024 and how those events impacted our wallets, go check it out. You'll want to make sure you're prepared for both sides of the coin as we head into the new year. Did you miss the bad financial events of 2024? Let me know in comments below. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more money tips. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, stay invested, and stay awesome.